Yes, Norsafe has been doing very well this year. We have received quite many orders based on our wide portfolio of life-saving products. Mainly we have done a good work on upgrade projects where we have received, among several, one project on almost 40 million for upgrade to Njord, to Statoil. In addition to that, Norsafe has launched new things. We have launched electrical freefall boat. That's something that has caused a lot of interest on this exhibition. And this is mainly due to increase the operability and lower the maintenance cost for the customers. In addition, we have seen a lot of interest in our achievements within the Polar Code. We have made, during the last few years, we have made a big effort to strengthen our position within equipment to be operated in Arctic, Antarctic conditions, and that has been materialized in 3 orders lately to various research vessels, to Australian Navy, British research vessel, and New Zealand Navy. We have also lately done an expedition that was in April, beginning of May, where we actually were cooperating with the national authorities and the National Coast Guard, doing measurements on how it will be in real life if people had to survive in a lifeboat. And that was very interesting in relation to the latest Polar Code, where we made interesting discoveries that can be brought further and put us in lead for being like a big, a leading supplier of life-saving equipment for polar conditions. So I would say that is the big things last year, this year so far. We see the market as interesting, could have been better, but starting to pick up, and that we see a lot of interesting in our products. What we see as the main, if you want to point on one thing that we see as the big challenge lately, is that due to cost saving in the industry, also there has been put less effort into training, and that we see as a big safety issue for the seamen, crew, passengers on board vessels. So in relation to that, we have launched several programs to train actually the crew in a better way. And what has been a big success lately has been Train the Trainer, where we actually train the managers on board to train their own crew. So we would like to emphasize that one should never cut down on training, because in a crisis you need to act on instinct, not on thought. So that is one thing that we would like to emphasize in that sense. Yeah, in that sense I would say that Norsafe has tried to be a worldwide supplier. We are represented all over the world, 13 orders all over the world. In addition, we have 300 service partners, so you can plan to go in harbor almost anywhere in the world. So that is our contribution to that. In addition, we have also had great success with our new care program that has been very well taken very well from our customers, and which give them better predictability and better insight in their costs. So that's how we have dealt with that situation. I would actually then repeat a little bit what I said in the beginning. I think that what has given us most attention is maybe the Polar Code, our achievements within that segment. you know, like we see now that there is being built a lot of expedition vessels, and that is a risk, of course, like you're going to somewhere where it's very cold and far from any infrastructure. And I think that our efforts within that area has been taken very well, and we have seen a lot of interest from various customers and interests in that effort. In addition, of course, we would like to mention the electrical freefall system, which we think is a great achievement. And thirdly, I would maybe mention the care plan, which has made the ship owners able to plan much better ahead on costs and dockings and safety.